Okay, says I'm live. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. I am learning how to use a new tool called StreamYard. I actually was on it once for an interview, forgot that I even had it, but last week, I think it was Friday, I got a notification on my cell phone that said, hey, guess what? You don't have 1,000 YouTube subscribers, so you can't go live on YouTube anymore. You can still go live on your computer and stream from there. And my webcam, as you can see, is horrible. It's not anywhere near the quality of my cell phone, so I was kind of miffed about that. But I thought, all right, I'm going to figure this out. I'll figure it out. I don't know the answer, but I'll figure it out. So I hopped online. I tried to figure out the Streaming OBS software. Ended up with this funky background. I don't know how to get rid of it. It looks like a gaming background, so it's totally inappropriate for what I'm doing on YouTube. And so I'm like, that's not going to work. And then I remembered after I struggled with trying to get rid of the background, or the widget, it's called, on Streaming OBS, I remembered, oh my God, I have this StreamYard platform. And I thought when I set it up, I had done an interview on Facebook with an amazing woman that I'm doing a 90-day challenge with in in just a week, on how to do live videos on YouTube, which is why it kind of bit that I got kicked out and can't do it on my phone. Now, what's the answer? Get 1,000 subscribers. So my goal has now become to get 1,000 subscribers so that I can go back to doing it on my cell phone, because it's so much quicker and so much easier. And that's what I did for a few days. And I'm like, oh my gosh, this is going to be easy. And lo and behold, not so easy. However, StreamYard solves not only the problem with YouTube, I figured that out over the last couple of days, but it also allows you to do really cool things like share your screen, have guests on, so you can have up to 5 people on, and it's in beta and it's free. So I did Be Live for about a year, and then I wasn't using it at all, so I just stopped using it on Facebook Lives. And I find that this is an incredibly powerful solution. Now, there's a paid version of the product too, but I like to teach and show people the free version so that you can figure out if this is something that you want to use and then use in your business, and then add it as a tool that you might want the added features of having the paid version. So what I was doing right now, before I hopped on and decided, why am I not recording this? I was trying to set up so that I can see comments on my page. Now, one thing it told me to do, and I should be sharing my screen. Let's see if I can do that by clicking the share screen button. I'm going to turn off my phone. That is actually someone I need to talk to, but not right this minute because I'm making a live video. I think I have to click my magnifying glass, right, people? Obviously, I'm in a casual mode today, sweatshirt and hair, because I was at a walk in the park. And I want to click my share screen button. And there's my share screen. I'm going to select the whole thing. We'll just share the whole thing. And voila, up pops my sharing screen feature. Now, that's pretty cool, because right now on Facebook Live, through their normal platform, you can either share your screen or you can appear on the screen. With this StreamYard free tool, you can actually be on the screen, and you can have 2 of you on the screen in addition to having your screen sharing visible. Now, the part I was trying to do that I wanted to show you was, in order to have my comments show up in StreamYard, I need to do a couple of things. I needed to go into my settings and enable public for my Facebook account. And then now I need to go into this little button, which I'm going to click right here and hope it doesn't mess everything up, and select public in my comments when I pop up, when my stream pops up. I want to show you. This may not be. In order to have my comments show up in StreamYard, oh, nice delay. I need to do a couple of things. I needed to go into my settings and enable public for my Facebook account. And then now I need to go into this little button, which I'm going to click right here and hope it doesn't mess everything up. Okay, I'm struggling now because I don't remember the instructions on how to do it. Public in my comments. So let's go ahead and go back from this. That might have killed me. I'm going to laugh if I'm still live because I have no idea what happened. No, I don't think I am. No, okay. Oh, other StreamYard. Let's go back to here. Yes, yes, I am still live. Okay. Now I cannot figure out how to do this because I can't see it when I pop on the other screen. I'm not sure if it's still recording or not. It appears to be. So let's go read the instructions. It says, find view on Facebook, the live stream by end broadcast. Then find the little people. Okay, let's try that. Let's try going back. There is no back. Let's just close out the instructions. Oh, let's try going to Facebook. And seeing if I'm actually live on my page. Yes, yes I am. So we need to go to comments. This little guy here, and it's already public. Yay! So apparently I'm already public. So I wanted to go here and select public so that my comments would show up on my StreamYard. So let's go back to my StreamYard. But before I do that, I'm going to cheat. I was waiting for this to download my Instagram. So I want to quick post that while I got 100% because for some reason where I live in the country, I have a hard time getting Instagram, my videos to post on Instagram. No, I have no reason. I have no understanding of why. So StreamYard, cool tool. Here's some of the different formats. I think it'll let me choose and show you. So there's just one, just me being solo. There's me and a guest, but I don't have a guest, so it's not showing you. There's me and a guest with a smaller format and a background, which I could select. There's me and up to 5. I can have up to 5 people on at a time. I'm sorry you can't see any of this. There is the screen sharing option, which if you look, I'm trying to click through these bottom buttons to show you the different possibilities. Then there's 2 guests, which I love this. You can have yourself and another person on in addition to sharing your screen. Now that's a cool feature, especially with a live challenge coming up. There's 2 of us co-hosting it, so we can both be on there and sharing our screen and showing how we do different things. So I think we haven't talked about the details of it, but what I would like to do is at least once a week go live and do a training session with people that teaches them something about YouTube Live or live video in general as part of the challenge. It's going to be a 90-day challenge. It's a bit of a commitment, but I think it's all about becoming an actual expert and influencer and leader in your field, not just doing the Facebook Lives or the YouTube Lives or doing live video, because there's a whole slew of us that have figured out how to jump over that hurdle. Now it's, okay, we're not afraid to do them anymore. What are we going to do with them to really become the influencer that we want to become on social media or on various platforms? That's what our challenge is all about. So very cool tool. I would love to pop over and show you how I do it on YouTube, but it's got the same exact features on YouTube. So instead of having me be here on Facebook, I could actually select YouTube Live, and I would be doing the same type of streaming on YouTube Live, and I have these same features as well. It can be just me. It can be me and another person in a couple of different formats with and without a background. It could be me and up to 4 other people, so 5 of us total. It can be me and a split screen, 2 of us and a split screen, or screen sharing, or just all screen sharing. Let's look at that. Now I think this is because this is sharing my whole screen that you can still see this part. But normally if I was just doing the whole full screen share, all you would see would be my screen. And that works really, really well for demonstrating things. I love to hop on like I am right now and show you how I exactly do things. Because you know what? Nobody shows you this. We have to figure all this stuff out ourselves, and it's ridiculous. And could we each go through all the tutorials and figure out everything we need to do? Yep, we sure could, but isn't it a lot quicker and easier if I say, hey, I've looked at all these other tools. Guess what? This is the best free thing I've found right now. That saves you probably hours, if not months, of trying to figure some of this stuff out yourself. So there you go. My new favorite tool for live streaming is available for both Facebook Live. Actually, it's available for more than that. You can use it on Facebook and YouTube, and you can also set it up with an RSS feed to just about anywhere you want. Now, I'm going to be perfectly honest. I don't understand how to set up RSS feeds for anything. For my podcast, it's all done by the software that I use by Libsyn and Anchor FM. They do all that linking and that background stuff for me so that I don't have to be so technical and figure it all out. And the truth is, I don't want to figure it out. I don't need to figure it out, and neither do you. So when you see things like this, hop on them and learn the shortcuts, learn the tools that can really help you to get what you want to get done faster and easier than trying to figure it all out yourself. That's it. Go out, make it an awesome day. Just wanted to figure out if I could figure this out for Facebook, and I'm pretty excited about it, and I hope that you are too. If you have any questions or comments, if I can help you figure out some of it as I'm figuring it out, just share them in the comments, and I will get back to you. Have a great day.